Welcome to Rossfield in West Mobile, Alabama. This community is in the Baker High School District, the Hutchinson's Dolls District, and the Causey Middle. This home features 4 bedrooms with 2 full baths. And one of my favorite things about this community is you're going to have a community pool and a private clubhouse. The kitchen and the baths feature granite countertops with a large island overlooking the living area. This home comes standard with the smart home package. It also has a 2-car garage, and it is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. And currently, D.R. Horton is paying up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. Don't forget, anytime you go to a D.R. Horton community, please ask for Frankie Wink. My services are free for buyers. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today for a free home analysis so I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.